marginal propensity to consume and marginal propensity to save, the macro view. Let's look at the expenditure multiplier shown in table form. Let's say a change in autonomous expenditures is caused by a change in consumption, investment, or government purchases. Once this change in autonomous expenditure occurs, then the new changes in income that occur induces more expenditures. Let's see how an increase in autonomous consumption expenditures, investment expenditures, or government purchases multiplies as it works its way through the system. We'll say that the marginal propensity to consume is 0.8 and the marginal propensity to save is 0.2. So we'll say that there is autonomous consumption of $100. Now realize this increase could have been autonomous investment or autonomous government purchases, but we're just going to use consumption. So there's a change in consumption unrelated to income. People feel confident about the economy, they start consuming. This change then will cause a change in income, national income. And you know for each additional dollar, if they consume 0.8, 80 cents on the dollar, and they save 0.2, then the change in consumption is going to be 80, and the change in savings is 20. The increase in consumption of 80 changes the amount of income inside the economy by $80 million and increases total income in the economy to $180 million. You know that if there's a change in income of 80 for each additional dollar, 80 cents on each dollar is consumed and 20 cents on each additional dollar is saved. And so we know that the change in consumption is 64 and the change in savings is 16. So now there's an increase in total income of $64 for a total now of $244. And then for each additional dollar, then 80 cents on each dollar is consumed, 20 cents on each additional dollar is saved, and the process continues. And so you can stop the video at any time you want to read each situation that occurs. To figure out how much this initial change right here turns into as it works its way through the economy, remember the expenditure multiplier formula. The formula again is the change in autonomous expenditures. So this is the initial change of $100 times 1 over MPS. So let's go ahead and see that again. 1 over MPS, which is the marginal propensity to save. So you know that the multiplier is 5. You know 5 times 100 will give you now $500. So this initial autonomous change in expenditures is going to turn into $500 as it works its way through the economy.